2000 LX470, and this is how it looks. Front bumper is scuffed, a crack there. Headlights I've already sold, the glass ones, so these are just the random ones I had. The grill looks okay, hood looks okay, no accidents. The fender, right, passenger fender has one scuff here, but overall it's okay. No rust. Body panels looks good. Tires, they're mud tires. Mud tires, probably 30%, 40% life left of them. Interior, let's check the interior too. Passenger seat, scuff here. From the top to the back is okay. Center console. Shifter. AC controls. Door panels. Door panel. It looks clean. The seats are okay-ish. They have no rips, but just dirty. I have some other stuff on it too. So, passenger light is broken. Center is okay. Rear bumper. Scuff here. Driver light is okay. This is okay. No rust. Interior trims, vents, glasses, seatbelt. There is no cargo mat. Driver fender, good. No issues here. Hood looks clean. No dents. Some scuffs there, but no dents. Roof. Got hand caps. Driver side panel. Driver's seat is ripped. On the way. Let's check the controls. Okay, the window goes up, down, down. Yes, goes. That one doesn't work. Rear vents. It'll work. It works. Sunroof. Sunroof works. There's no dome light here. Dome light here works. That's good. Either fold, unfold. Left mirror move up, move down, sideways. Right mirror moves up, moves down, sideways. That's that. Steering motor, and it goes up, down, but not in and out. Just the up-down motor works. AC controls, let's see. This works. This works. Mode changes. This works. AC button sticky, not working. Auto, this works. AC was controlled. Temperature knob works. That works. This works. The rear works. This works. Engine, I don't know if the radio is not installed, so that might not work. That works. What else? Auto. Auto works. Press auto, AC starts working. So just turn it off. Hopefully off. So yeah, there's the AC control bit. That's it. Everything else works. No check engine light. Axle is broken. That's why the sanity lock is on. And yeah, let's hear the engine run. The cat is stolen on this one, so that's why the exhaust sound. But the engine itself is pretty healthy. No sounds on the engine, no leaks. Timing belt was done. Maintenance wise is